This is Costco. A lot of people. You see, usually they open in the 10 o'clock, but today we come very early. But still, a lot of people here. Costco. I like this one. I like avocado. I'm gonna get one of this. Yeah. One of this. Oh, okay, this is tomato. Wow, very nice. Okay, I'm gonna take one of this. Okay, I'm gonna take the big one. This is premium fuel cane sugar. Wow, very good. Leave it here. You have this thing welcome. Sanitizer, right? Oh, good. I have a big one last time. Yeah, this is small one. Okay, I'm going to do the orange. I'll take two of this. Alright, this is good. Okay. Okay, here you go. Licking. Tefila. Licking. Ah, beautiful flower. You want it? Whoa. Look at here. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Very, very good milk. So I'm going to check the expired date. Alright, I'm going to check 3 of this. Alright, very good. Yeah, this one no much. The last time I come here, oh my god, I waited like 45 minutes. Today is very good. Very good. It's good here. Oh. Okay, now I'm gonna pay here. Very good. Thank you. Have a good day. Thanks God. Today is very, very good. Not too much people. Okay. Just somebody hit my car here. One of these guys, he opened the door and he hit my car here. Oh my God. But he told me sorry, but so I don't want to charge him, you know. Now that's all. Thank you, buddy. Have a good one. So once we get home, we sanitize everything and then wash all the fruit and the vegetables. So potatoes are very, very good. I can keep it for long times. For last time I keep it for like more than 1 month. All right. Potato, the better you keep it outside like this. So this is much better and it can stay much longer. Oh, cheers. Oh, very nice. Very good. Very nice view today. It's nice weather here. This is the front of the where I live.